Isisiris ko po itong isi-share ko sa inyo. Isang pangalanan na natin si Julia, her possession and her remarkable abilities. Tinatawag siyang Satanic Queen. Satanic Queen po. So, hindi po ito basta-basta. Part 1 lang ito. Ito yung ifo-focus ko na isi-share ko sa inyo, mga kapatid, ha? Para mag-focusan ko ito. Tinatawag siyang Satanic Queen. No? Hindi ito basta-basta na isi-share ko sa inyo. At additional na generous star senders natin sa live natin, si Joy Flores, nagpadala ng 100 stars. Si Gladys Antilan Finili, additional 100 stars. Si Joy Alfanta Fernandez, 50 stars. Yan po yung mga generous na star senders natin. So, yung part 1, part 2, part 3, hanggang about ito mga 5, part 5 siguro, dahil mataas yung storya niya, isi-share ko sa inyo yung documentary ni Dr. Richard Gallagher. Isa po siyang doktor, psychiatrist, na kasama sa mga exorcists. Member siya sa International Association of Exorcists. No, Dr. Gallagher has evaluated more such possession than any physician in history. So, ang ganda ng aklat niya. Salamat sa mga nagpadala ng mga magandang aklat dahil ibabahagi ko ito sa inyo. No? So, ang pangalan niya dito, tatago lang natin sa ni Julia, the Satanic Queen, part 1. So, ito yung pupukusan natin sa siguro bukas hanggang matapos tayo. Pasalamat tayo sa generous star senders natin ngayon. Si Gwen Perez, nagpadala sa atin ng 50 stars. Salamat kapatid. Si Dudong Benitez, nagpadala ng 55 stars. Salamat po. Si Lilia Kirante Solera, nagpadala ng 50 stars. Si Joy Flores, 100 stars. At si Mimo Abilia, no, padala ng 50 stars. Si Ima Almeres Midelias Caballes is watching. Si Rujelin Yanko Hamonelio, good evening Father Darwin. Si Lini Tapdasan, good evening Father Darwin, God bless you, amen. No? Si Sandra Juan Salde, nanood sa atin. At ang additional na natin, star senders, hindi pa nag-appear. Pasensya na po. Si Arden Lucero, good evening Father. Si Homemade Pinoy, hi Father, mayong gabi Salamat kayo. Mayong gabi Isad. At si Joy Alfanta Fernandez, hi Pads, always watching from Cebu City, nagpadala sa atin ng 50 stars. At si John Impal, nagpadala ng 100 stars. Salamat mga general star senders natin sa live ngayon. At si Ate Mila Buhawi, nangunguna, no, nagpadala sa atin ng 1,000 stars. So, salamat ate. Si Des School, nagpadala ng 50 stars. Salamat po. At greetings muna tayo, no? At si hindi pa nag-appear, no? At nanood natin ngayon si Ricky Jess Tirana, good evening Father, gabayan ka permi sa Ginoo para pag-spread pa sa kamatuuran, amen. Si Edgar Tangub, no? Nanood sa atin. Si Christina Lapot Sabroso, good evening Father. Si Jacqueline Lupez, good evening Father, always watching from Dika Homes, Tisa, Cebu. Salamat kay Igsoon. At si kapatid na Krizanen Yo Krofla, nagpadala ng 100 stars. Salamat po. So ngayon mga kapatid, simulan na natin. Itong maganda, si Julia, pangalanan na natin na Julia, no? The Satanic Queen. Unique po ito. So, hindi tayo kailangan natin magbabasa ng mga magandang mga aklat para maging mas sharp pa yung ating para matulungan natin mabuti yung mga biktima na ini-entrust sa atin ng Panginoon, no? Yan ang at i-share ko din sa inyo. Ito po, her possession and her remarkable abilities. Hindi po ito basta-basta. She is Satanic Queen. Pangalanan lang natin na Julia. Okay? Sabi ni Doctor, dahil siya po yung psychiatrist sa grupo ng mga exorcist. So, salamat po sa mga nagpadala ng aklat, at kung meron pa kayong magandang aklat, i-send nyo na yan sa atin dahil magtatayo po tayo ng library para yung team natin ay laging nagbabasa at patuloy na magbabasa para sa inyo po. At para din sa bayan ng Diyos at sa pagmamahal natin kay Kristo po. Wala na pong iba. Okay? Sabi ni Dr. Richard Gallagher, sabi niya dito, siya po ay isa sa mga members sa International Association of Exorcists. Siya po ay doktor. No? His book details with full accuracy some of his most compelling cases over the past 25 years. Just imagine, nauna pa ito sa akin. So, kailangan ko na mag-google, magbasa patungkol dito. Okay? The night before I met Julia, ito po yung, dahil sometimes mga kapatid, kapag yung mga pasyente namin ay mabigat talaga, kami ay aatakihin din, nauuna yung harassment. No? Ito yung, nagka-relate po ako sa karanasan ni Dr. Richard Gallagher. Ito, patuloy tayong magbasa ha. The night before I met Julia, so the night before na sila mag-met, itong Satanic Queen, something unnerving happened. Merong hindi ka nais-nais na pangyayari sa kanilang bahay. My family loves animals. Yung buong pamilya nila ay pets lover. At that time, a French bulldog and 2 cats prowled around our house like long-time relatives. All 3 always got along well. So, hindi sila nag-aaway. Para sila mga relatives, no? The cats often curled up next to each other on our bed at night. So, makikita natin na peaceful, no? Yung mga aso at yung pusa. But one night around 3 a.m., 3 a.m. Yan ang oras nila. Loud screeching sounds startled me and my wife out of our sleep. So, nakagising sila. Our 2 normally docile cats were going at it like champion prize fighters. Nag-aaway na. Smacking and clawing at each other, intent on inflicting some serious harm. So, grabe yung away sa kanilang aso. Hindi naman ganoon. At ang oras, 3 a.m. Inaharas na sila. My wife grabbed the female cat and held on to the male. So, pinalayo nila. And we separated them into 2 different rooms. So, pinaglayo nila ito. They continued to growl and bristle. My wife and I got back into bed, mystified. So, na-shock sila. Ano ba nangyari? 3 a.m. And then, but thought of the thief as perhaps caused by some bad cat food or too many sniffs of catnip. So, parang nag-aaway sila, pero normal lang sila eh. Nung nakalipas na mga oras. The next morning, Father Jack rang out doorbell. Itong si Father Jack ay isang exorcist. He was standing at our front door with Julia. No? Dito na, sa kinaumagahan. Pumunta si Father Jack. Si Father Jack ay isang exorcist. She was dressed in black pants, si Julia, with a dark purple blouse hanging loosely around her slight frame. I guess she was in her late 30s or early 40s. Her short hair was dyed jet black, and her black eyeliner extended to her temples. The style I later learned that was favored by her fellow cult members. Dressed again, as always, in his clerics, Father Jacques had his hands in his pockets, avoiding eye contact. This is Julia. Hindi niya tinitigan si Julia. He said, she has something to confess. Meron siyang i-confess sa atin. With a smirk, Julia gazed at me. How you like those cats last night? Alam niya. Ito yung psychic ability ni Julia. Kumusta ba yung mga pusa mo last night? Alam niya. No? And then, how's your like those cats last night? She asked. I stared at her, taken aback as much by her manner and by her astonishing statement. Nakamangha na mga salaysay. She regarded me with that smile, evidently pleased with herself. What are you amused about? I blurted out. Her smile widened and she leaned against the door frame. Look, I finally thought to say, I respect Father Jacques, and he asked me to see you. But let's not have a repeat of last night. Understand? That let's not have a repeat of last night. Understand? My thoughts came fast and furious. What the hell I am saying? Could you really have had anything to do with the cats? So, yung mga, dahil satanic queen siya eh. And then alam niya na member sa exorcism team. Yan po, mga psychic power ng mga kaaway natin. Alam nila. And unperturbed, Julia just stood there with the air of an honored house guest, offering no apology. Confident na confident. Hindi nga nag-ask ng apology. For the rest of the day, I tried to collect my thoughts. What in God's name have I gotten into? This was the first time I had ever doubted or even questioned my involvement with Father Jacques. Dahil hindi basta-basta talaga yung mga cases, ibang mga cases, mga kapatid. Katulad nito, mabigat po ito. So, I learned a lot of things from this experience, no? And then I can relate also of some. At yung mga experience niya ay hindi ko na-experience. But some of his experiences of Father Jack and Father Richard, I also experienced. To get a few things of my chest, I called him, showing away common courtesy and asking, "What on earth were you thinking, bringing her here?" Bakit mo ito dinala sa amin? He apologized profusely and told me she had arrived earlier than he had expected. He had wanted to make sure I was around so we could meet with her as soon as possible. Father Jack was eager to get my input, though I already knew he was convinced that she was possessed. No. So, yan ang procedure natin. Ano natin sa mga psychologists, psychiatrists. No? Okay. Striking while the iron was hot, he put it. Since he didn't seem to trust that her motivation to get help would last long, he further astonished me by admitting that a similar thing had occurred in the house of another psychologist who had interviewed Julia. So the same, yung psychologist din na nag-interview sa kanya, the same din yung storya na hinaras din yung mga animal nila, yung mga pets nila. Okay? The man's wife subsequently forbade him from having anything else to do with that horrible woman after their crazed cat tore up their living room couch. Now you tell me I said I felt annoyed and vivid, Father Jacques went on. She can be provocative, but she does seem to want our help. At least for now, she needs our help. The sooner, the better, I think. Her cult doesn't want to let her go and will do anything to stop our continued exorcism. So, pinipigilan siya sa mga kasamahan niya. So, yun ang nangyari mga kapatid, na merong mga psychic attack nangyari sa psychologist at sa doktor na ito na sinishare niya ngayon sa ating binabasa. According to Father Jacques, Julia was a truly exceptional case. Hindi to basta-basta. She is satanic queen. Okay. Even for a serious possession, serious na serious po ito. As a rare satanist and a high priestess. Siya po yung pinakamataas na babaeng pari of a satanic cult. He further explained Julia had been granted certain special abilities because her cult had treated him directly. He said, Father Jack was convinced her stories were credible. Hindi to basta-basta yung itong storya natin na isi-share ko sa inyo mga kapatid. So, excited po ako. Mataas po ito. So, gawin natin ng part 1, part 2, na 20 pages po ito. So, marami tayong matutunan. Ako din, nagbabasa, and then marami akong natutunan. I agreed to see her at my office the next day. So, si Dr. Richard Gallagher, gusto na nag-appoint na siya for interview. During the exorcism of most full possessions, the evil spirit may, on its own, or may be forced to manifest itself and display its remarkable preternatural powers, even outside the exorcism. So, kahit hindi during exorcism, mga kapatid, pwede before, or even outside the exorcism, and critical to diagnostic process. Victims in their periodic possessed trances frequently display at least some of the classic signs of their state. Evil spirits may speak foreign languages, show supernormal strength, reveal hidden knowledge, that is, display an awareness of matters they have no natural way of knowing, akin to what psychics claim to be able to do. Of course, it is the demon who has such powers, not the victim. So, hindi yan kapangyarihan sa biktima, kundi kapangyarihan yan sa demonyo. Alam niya yung mga hidden knowledge, alam niya yung different languages, kahit hindi siya nag-aaral. In a possession, the demonstration of these paranormal abilities is precisely what proves that the foreign evil spirit is present and in control sa buhay ni Julia, the satanic queen. Despite occasional protestation by so-called parapsychologists and spiritualists, human beings of their own have none of these powers. Wala po tayo limited lang po tayo. The Father Jacques explained to me that the powerful diaboless like Julia was explicitly committed herself to Satan. Explicitly. Nakicommunicate siya sa demonyo who worships him. So, ito, hindi to basta-basta. Meron din tayong pasyente na satanista po. Pero hindi pa po siya sa kalibre ni Julia. Ordinary member lang po siya. No? Ito po ay high priestess. No? Katuloy. May be granted some privileges of this sort of their own. That is the contention that Satan grants his devotees the ability to demonstrate psychic powers not only outside an overt possessed state, but also in a normal conscious state. Kahit normal siya makausap natin. Alam niya. Dahil high rank po siya. So, I learned a lot of things sa experience ni Father Jacques and Dr. Richard Gallagher sa binabasa natin ngayon. While I'm reading this, while I'm sharing this, I'm learning a lot of things. Under Satan's power, they perform these paranormal feats through no inherent ability of their own, but are able to draw upon demonic sources of power in a strange way. Kaya conscious sila mga kapatid. Kaya hindi sila unconscious. Cases of individuals who have such a level of fevers are, in my experience, very rare. Even more uncommon than in our more typical possession, but Julia, I was soon to discover, was hardly typical. She openly exhibited these features and delighted in her favors. So, hindi ito basta-basta na tatalakayin natin, mga kapatid, no? Okay? Excited na ba kayo? Nagbabasa ako kanina. I am so excited reading it. And I'm so inspired, no? So, hindi pa ako naka-experience nito. Nabibigit ng kaso, no? When Father Jacques and Julia arrived the following day, I ushered her into my office. Instead of greeting me, she scrolled over to my Lord's window sill, which was filled with small wicker baskets of forsythia, and without a word started watering my plants. Again, I was struck by her effrontery, her almost complete disregard for formalities or everyday courtesies. Parang wala lang nangyayari. No? Normal na normal, di ba? And into the life of plants. We love plants and animals. Well, maybe not all animals, I suppose. She chortled and heard little joke. But we're unlike stupid Christians who hate nature. Have you noticed? No, meron siyang little joke. No, have you noticed? So, unlike stupid Christians who hate nature, have you noticed? Yung mga Christian, they hate nature. Through the months of our discussions, Julia always insisted that she desired to be in tune with the natural world. And that was one reason she was a practicing Satanist. She interpreted traditional religion as unnatural and repressed. No. Unnatural to mga. My philosophy is this, though. She told me indulgence instead of abstinence, vital existence instead of spiritual pipe dreams, vengeance instead of turning the other cheek. It sounded like her cult's formulaic motto of sorts. She even wrote it out for me once. So, sinasabi niya na yun po yung motto nila. Hindi kami niyang abstinence. No? Gusto namin enjoy. No? Hindi kami na mga spiritual pipe dreams, but it is the reality of life. Yung pinaka-importante. Sa amin ay, manimaw should be. Dili kayo magpasagba lang. So, yun po yung motto nila. She liked calling me doc, which I took as a good sign. She seemed to trust doctors more than priests. So, niwala pa siya sa mga doktor kaysa pare. Having heard how she talked to priests, I expected her to treat me the same way. But I think she knew I would call her out on any discourtesy. And it turned out she gave more respect and heed to my views as a physician than to the admonishments of priests. However, obviously, well-intentioned on their part, she wanted my perspective on. And she called it disposition, business. So, conscious po siya sa nangyayari niya. I know I am possessed. She said, I space out and then don't recall what happens. No. Alam ko na maraming demonyo sa akin, pero huwag niyo nang i-recall anong mangyayari. They tell me a voice comes out of me. I don't know. I don't remember anything. It's a demon. Alam talaga niya. No? I'm sure it's not Satan. He doesn't bother himself with small things like that. It comes from him. Everything is under his control. I've long followed the master. I have long followed the master and done everything he wants for years. Matagal na sila nagsasama. I was struck by the calm and rational way Julia talked about her condition. Very cognizant, no? Conscious siya. I wasn't what I had expected. He stood in front of my office window, staring at the neighboring buildings and surrounding wooden area. I chosen this office especially for this view, and I regularly took in the scene. In much the same way Julia seemed to be enjoying it. No? If I hadn't known what she was enduring within her spirit, I easily could have mistaken her for one of my usual patients. She struck me as intelligent and in firm control of her emotion. She did not seem to me the unbalanced or limited person I have been suspecting. So matalino talaga ito. I decided to dig a little deeper, hoping she would reveal to me some crucial detail about her story that would allow me to gain a better understanding of her situation and her mental state. Why do you think you became possessed? I asked. She claimed not to have a clue, which I found odd. Well, Satan is certainly in charge, so he must have his reasons. But I don't understand why, and no, I don't like it. Always unwise to oppose the devil, but I decided to seek help. The cult would hate that too. So I told them I would infiltrate the church and get any priest I met in trouble. So, iba talaga yung pakay nila, no? Alam niya na ang demonyo talaga nasa likod, nasa mga ginawa niya. So, he must have his reasons. Alam ng demonyo yung rason, but I don't understand why. And no, I don't like it. Kahit hindi ko nagustuhan. It always unwise to oppose the devil. So, wala tayong magagawa kapag mag-oppose tayo sa ating kaaway. Yan ang sabi niya. Okay. Nandiyan pa ba kayo dyan? So, part 1 pa ito, ha. And gusto ko na marami kayong matutunan sa ating pag-aaral, no? So, dahil gusto niya ng tulong, no? At yung demonyo ang tumutulong sa kanya, open yung psychic power niya. Okay? That cult would hate that too. So, magalit yung cult na sinasali niya. I told them I would infiltrate the church and get any priest I met in trouble. So, isa sa mga mission nila ay to infiltrate the church. At yung mga pari ay naging trouble. O lalabas ba? I assume they believed me. But I'm leery and afraid they'll turn on me. That I just sense I have to get rid of this possession. So, hindi na ko na gusto itong demonyo o possession na nangyari sa akin. I heard only priests or ministers can help me. Can psychiatrists? I don't think so. I'm not crazy. That I know, I was impressed by her frankness, including about the priests. No? So, hindi ako nangailangan ng psychologist, psychiatrist. Hindi naman ako crazy. Hindi naman ako buang. She finally sat down in front of my desk, easing into our conversation. I decided to let her talk, which she seemed eager to do. I figured out quickly that she liked the fact that I just listened, and that she didn't prove immune to something I observed in my years as psychiatrist. If you say little, people often tell you everything. If you say little, people often tell you everything. Plus, she knew that I was taking her seriously, not charging her a fee, and not automatically assuming she was mentally disturbed and posing for a hospitalization. So, nakikinig lang yung doktor, no? Sabi niya dito, if you say little, people often tell you everything. Just listening, you know, accompanying. No? She mentioned that Father Jacques had taken her to a couple of psychologists first. Father Jacques had told her that in their view, no psychological explanation came close to explaining her strange condition. As believers both agreed she was possessed. She went on to say that Father Jacques wanted the opinion of the physician. However, she took some glee in telling me the original strengths were a little scared of her. Yung mga psychologists na pinapuntahan ni Dr. Jacques. No? So, yan lang siguro sa muna, no? Ang sarap na matulog.
To make his message known is our responsibility. So here we are. our lives together.